This one's kind of self-explanatory. My shit's not really that steep to metaphor, it doesn't really need lengthy line. This one's about this, but it's really about this. You'll get it within like an opening line or something. Subtle, that's me. I don't know if I'm healthy, but then tell me what is finding a little stillness. So when you need a cure, where do you go to get it? Do you reach for pharmaceuticals or psychedelics? Do you place your faith in holy men, holy books and holy relics or alternative therapies for dealing with stress? And when you've got something inside that needs to come out, to whom do you confess? To your friends, to your lover, to your God or yourself? Well, I might not be healthy, but then tell me what is health. Well, I don't know if I'm wise, but then tell me what is wisdom. Is it pure and exact like a bright white light, or does it refract just like a prism into many hues for us to choose depending on our position? Well, you could have multiple degrees, 5 languages, a couple of PhDs, and though all of these are truly noble things to earn, if you can't treat your neighbour with respect in a manner that you would expect, then my friend, I must regret you've still got a lot to learn. But the man who speaks with his heart and listens up when others are talking is already smarter than Einstein and Newton and Hawking, and they say no religious freedom, so they're wasting life in prison. Well, I don't know if I'm wise, but then tell me what is wisdom. But I'm not sure if I'm rich, but then how is rich defined? If it's by the shit that you own, then I'm getting left behind. And take a look at my bank account, the debt is all you'll find, but I pay it no mind because I'm inclined to believe that I'm really not that poor. I just got a different system of keeping score. And tell me what more could I ever ask for? I got my body and my mind, and I got my soul, I got a whole lot of my family, my friends, I got faith in a force much bigger than me, of all the corners of the globe where I could be. I live in a fucking cool town right down by the sea. So do I get minimum wage? And life is expensive. I don't get to rage because my wealth is extensive. Don't need a 5-figure paycheck, I got 5 senses. To be filled to the gills with sights and sounds and smells and sensation and sweet, sweet senses. The healing of the nation and sunrise and sunset. Sunday roast, some days I made us take a stroll out to the coast and think, fuck the poverty line because I'm wealthier than most. And for over 7 years, Brian has been my gracious host. And some of the people I've met here have become the most beautiful, inspirational, healing rays of light. And I've learned that very few things are black and white, and it mostly comes down to a matter of perception. If you're struggling for answers, try asking different questions, because mostly it comes down to a matter of perception. If you don't like your answers, try asking different questions.